Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. Like, you won't really need it if you have like long fingernails. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use this tool. So here you have two slots. Here you should insert your SIM card, and here your SD card. And then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.